Hello everyone, welcome to Soil English at Sakhar Institute. So, how are you all doing? I'm very sure everybody is happy and healthy. So, moving forward with our class today, we'll again pick up a few topics, conversational topics, where we will discuss that given a situation, अगर हम किसी situation में हैं, तो हम वहाँ पर छोटी छोटी बातें किस तरह से English में कर सकते हैं. Because many a times what happens that you get stuck at very small places. कई बार हम बहुत छोटी छोटी जगहों पे अटक जाते हैं, हमारा माइंड काम नहीं करता. ओ माय गॉड, व्हाट शुड आई से, मेरे को ऐसे में क्या बोलना चाहिए था, और बाद में आपको जाके लगता है ओहो आई कुड हैव स्पोकन दीज सेंटेंसेस, मैं ये बोल सकता था या मैं बोल सकती थी. फाइन, सो लेट्स पिक फ्यू सिचुएशंस वन बाय वन. So the first situation we are taking is that suppose a child is playing in front of you or near you, fine, and suddenly he has got hurt, fine. Maybe he has fallen down from his bicycle, or he has hurt himself, he has fallen down while running, fine. Then how do you go and console the child? The child is very small, the child is crying. So how do you go and console the child? आपके सामने आपके पास में कोई एक छोटा बच्चा खेल रहा है, अचानक खेलते खेलते वो गिर जाता है, फाइन, और वो रोने लगता है. तो उस समय आप जाके बच्चे को कैसे कंसोल करेंगे, उसको कैसे चुप कराएंगे? सो हाउ डू यू स्पीक सम लिटिल सेंटेंसेस इन इंग्लिश? Oh my God, what happened? Come on, get up beta. Are you badly hurt? Oh my God, your knee is bruised. आपके नी में, आपके घुटने में चोट आ गई है. ब्रूस्ड मतलब जैसे हम बोलते हैं कि काफी ज्यादा छिल जाता है. क्लियर? बट नथिंग टू वरी, you're a brave boy, you're a brave girl. Are you able to walk properly? Come on, you can drink some water. Come, I will help you. Just sit on this bench. Do you want me to call your mother? Is your mother around? क्या आपकी मम्मी आसपास है? Is somebody around from your family? क्या आपकी फैमिली में से कोई आसपास है? Do you live close by? Shall I drop you home? क्या पास में ही रहते हैं, मैं आपको घर ड्रॉप कर दूं? Oh come on, it's nothing. Children do keep falling while playing. This is how they learn to be strong. बच्चे तो गिरते रहते हैं. Oh, you're fine now? Are you able to run? Okay beta, chalo, bye bye. So in this situation we just saw that we picked up a situation where a child was playing near you, he got hurt, he fell down, or maybe something happened to him, fine, and you helped the child, you tried to console the child, fine. Okay, let's pick another situation that maybe you're traveling by bus or a train and you are not sitting at the window seat, fine. Maybe you're sitting at the middle seat or the other corner seat, the aisle seat, and you have to request the other person to open the window or to close the window. It could be anything. Here we are taking that suppose you have to request the other person to open the window. आप ट्रेन या बस से सफ़र कर रहे हैं, आप विंडो सीट पर नहीं बैठे हैं, तो आप कैसे अपने बगल वाले को रिक्वेस्ट करेंगे कि वो खिड़की को खोल दे या बंद कर दे? इन दिस पर्टिकुलर सिचुएशन वी आर टेकिंग दैट यू आर रिक्वेस्टिंग द अदर पर्सन टू ओपन द विंडो. हेलो, एक्सक्यूज मी, डू यू माइंड ओपनिंग द विंडो? एक्चुअली आई एम फीलिंग अ लिटिल डिजी and I have to get down at the third station from here. So sometimes, if I don't see the number or if I don't see the name on the platform, I might get confused and I might not be able to get down at the right station. Thank you so much. Thank you so very much. Now the third situation that we are taking is that suppose you are telling your friend to tuck in his shirt because you feel he's not looking good that way. Fine. आप अपने फ्रेंड को कह रहे हैं कि वो अपनी शर्ट या टी शर्ट को टक इन कर ले, मतलब जीन्स के अंदर या पैंट के अंदर डाले, because according to you he is not looking good. Hi Rakesh, are you going out somewhere? Like this? Why is your t-shirt out? Why don't you tuck in your t-shirt? I'm sure you look more cool that way. Yes, I mean these t-shirts are meant to be tucked in, Yeah, this way you're looking much better. And with these printed t-shirts and all, if you tuck in the t-shirts, you tend to look smarter. Haven't you seen the celebrities and all, the way they tuck in their shirt into their jeans and all? Yes, that's much better. You know, if you don't tuck in your t-shirt, you tend to look a little fat also. This way you're looking quite slim and smart. So that's all for today's class. That's all for today's video. So आज के वीडियो में we discussed a few situations, very simple situations, very simple incidents, but most of the times we get stuck when we have to speak at these simple situations. Fine, हमारे मुंह से कुछ निकलता नहीं है because we really don't know how to say it. Fine, look, okay beta, nothing has happened. Oh come on, you are fine. Are you able to walk? Shall I help you to the bench nearby? Fine, तो ये बहुत common sentences हैं जो हमारे माइंड में उस समय नहीं आते. Why don't you tuck in your shirt? You look much smarter that way. That way you're looking more thin. You're looking lean. Fine. So ये ऐसे sentences हैं which you can use at 1,000 in multiple different places. Fine. Like you can tell to your friend, oh, you have tucked in your t-shirt today. That's why you're looking leaner. Fine. Oh, he was not able to walk properly. I think he has sprained his ankle. फाइन. तो ये छोटे छोटे सेंटेंसेस हैं जो हम हजारों और जगह पर यूज कर सकते हैं एंड आई एम श्योर आप ऑलरेडी यूज कर रहे होंगे. Fine. So that's all for today's class. See you in the class and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Until then, bye bye.